Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gluta White Serum. First, always start with a clean canvas. Gently wash your face with a mild cleanser to remove any impurities or makeup. Pat your skin completely dry with a soft towel, as a dry surface helps the serum penetrate effectively. This preparation ensures your skin is ready to receive the full benefits of the serum, setting the stage for a brighter complexion. Now, let's talk application. Dispense just 2 to 3 drops of Gluta White Serum onto your clean fingertips. Gently pat the serum evenly across your face and neck, focusing on areas you wish to brighten. Resist the urge to rub vigorously. Instead, use light, upward motions. Allow the serum a minute or two to fully absorb into your skin before moving on to your next skincare step. Consistency is key for best results. For optimal results, incorporate Gluta White Serum into your routine twice a day, once in the morning and again before bed. After the serum has absorbed, follow up with your favorite moisturizer to seal in the benefits and keep your skin hydrated. During the day, it's crucial to apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30. This protects your skin from sun damage and helps maintain your brightening progress. To maximize your Gluta White Serum's effectiveness, store it in a cool, dark place away from direct sunlight. With consistent use, many users begin to see noticeable improvements in skin brightness and evenness within 4 to 6 weeks. Remember, patience and consistency are vital for achieving your desired glow. Also, don't forget to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and here's to radiant skin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.